Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software, which is Refreshme and Wave. In 2025, Refreshme and Wave cater to different financial management needs. Refreshme is tailored for individual and families seeking a comprehensive personal finance tools. It offers features like real-time expense tracking, budget tools, investment monitoring, credit score alert. Price start at $12 per user per month, with a plan for couples at $22 per month and families at $32 per month. All include a free trial. While Refreshme excel in personal finance management, it lacks business-specific functionalities such as invoicing, multi-user collaboration, limiting its suitability for business accounting needs. Talking about Wave, on the other hand, is designed for freelancers and small business requiring a robust account solution. It offers a free starter plan that includes unlimited invoicing, expense tracking, and basic reporting. For more advanced features like automated bank transaction, import, receipt scanning, multi-user access, the Pro plan is available at $16 per month or $170 annually. We also provide optional hard professional bookkeeping assistance catering to growing business need. Ultimately, the choice between Refreshme and Wave in 2025 depends on your specific financial management requirement. So, choose Refreshme for a focused personal finance tools emphasizing privacy and simplicity, and choose Wave for a comprehensive, scalable accounting solution suitable for freelancers and small businesses. So that's it.